I'm in this crawl space. This is Goodman furnace. And customer's complaint is it's not coming on. Blower motor doesn't energize when you turn the fan on at the thermostat. And there seemed to be no power to the furnace. And what we found was there's a condensate switch on the condensate pump, and there's a condensate switch on the coil. They were series together, tied back to here on the 24 volt side of the system. And because the breaker of the GFI that the pump was on had opened, didn't allow power to the pump, it kept the furnace from coming on. So what we did, reset the GFI, and now we have the furnace energizer back online. Another day at Mr. Euthanasia.